In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Lyft app not working. So if your Lyft application is not working, there might be various reasons behind it. First of all, try checking the internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable network. But still, if your application is not working, it might be because there might be some bugs in the application. In that case, what you have to do is update the app. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for Lyft. You'll be able to find various options over here. Find the application for Lyft and tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for update. Tap on it and your application will be updated. Once the application has been updated, all the bugs of the application will be fixed and your application should start working now. But if your application still does not work, it might be because of the cache. In that case, what you have to do is clear the cache of the application. For that, simply launch open app library of your device, find the application for Lyft and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the app info interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Find the option for storage and cache and tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the storage interface. You'll be able to find two options over here. Clear storage, clear cache. Tap on this option, clear cache. After that, your problem should be fixed. But if your application still does not work, there might be some problem with the device itself. In that case, what you can do is simply try restarting the device. Long press on the power button. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option restart and the device will be restarted. Now after you do that, your problem should be fixed. So these are basically the ways to fix your problem. So that is how you fix Lyft app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.